So, nandito na kami sa room. Hindi pa kami pwede makalabas. So, dito muna kami sa room. Kasi magsusnow pa siya. Until mamayang gabi hanggang bukas. Or mag-stop siya maybe Friday or Saturday. So, dito lang muna kami sa hotel room. Guys, so, we're in the second floor. Mag-move kami sa third floor. Guys, nandito na kami sa third floor. Dito na kami sa suite. So, this is the bathroom. Tada! So, malaki yung bathroom nila. Ayan, shower. So yung bathroom. So, this is our bedroom. So, the refrigerator, the microwave. So, that's the bedroom. So, we have on TV. And then, we have the couch. See, my couch na. And then, we have on TV. And they have the coffee maker. So, desk dyan. So, my couch. So, it's still snowing. Snow pa rin siya sa labas. Yan. Yan. Alright, so nakalipat na kami dito. So, kailangan kong ilagay sa refrigerator yung mga drinks namin. So, ito yung refrigerator. Very cute. Kasi yung mga pagkain. There's kami. Kasi nga, hindi namin alam kung. Kasi it's still snowing outside. Hindi namin alam kung kailan siya mag-stop mag-snow. Siguro bukas or Saturday. So, may mga TV dinners kami. Key lime pie. My favorite key lime pie. Init yung TV dinners. Kakain na kami. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Init na yung TV yung sa kanya. Sa quinoa on this one. Sa quinoa.
How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
Good morning! So, it's our day 2 here in hotel room. So, we still stuck. So, first, i-fix ko muna yung bed namin.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Guys, maliligo na ako kasi baka maybe later aalis na kami. Hindi pa kami uuwi. Lilipat pa kami ng hotel. So, we're having my breakfast. This is my breakfast. Yogurt and then croissant sandwich.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay.
Guys, so nag-stop muna kami dito sa Kobe. Kukunin namin yung lunch namin and then we're heading to other hotel na. Hopefully yung road is clear na siya. It's safe to drive na, so good luck to me. So ako yung magdadrive sa free.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa aming sa isang hotel na nililipatan namin. So nagbunto ko. So nakakarating lang namin. So ito yung room namin. So dito yung kitchen. It's a suite room. So inayos ko na yung namin. So yan, yung may TV, may microwave din. Tapos dito yung bathroom. Yan bathroom. At saka dito naman is the bedroom. So yan. At tingnan nyo yung sa labas. Ang snow pa rin. Ang dami pang snow. Yan. Grabe. For now, kakain muna ako kasi naugutom ako kasi. Nakakatakot mag-drive pag ganyan. Oy, first time ko mag-drive ng ganyan na yung super icy o super snow. So kakain ako. Nagtugo kami. So ito yung namin. Ito yung ulam ko. Barbecue spare ribs.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you? When you put down and better, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, go, go?
Hi guys, so tapos na ako mag-half bath. So, hindi ko na kayo sinama sa half bath. Uy, kasi nga, toothbrush. It's 9 o'clock. I know, it's 8 o'clock. Like, almost 9 o'clock.
Girl, I want nobody but you. 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 Oh, 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 oh.
Good night, everybody. Thank you for joining me sa for today, for our travel namin kanina, and then tonight, and then so that's it for today. So good night and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another.
Guys, so pauwi na kami. So please prepare some travel. Hope we can make it home safe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
to love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no, never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.